takers. Today we are going to discuss about the top 5 important tips and tricks for a beginner in advertisement. So let's jump on it. If you want to generate inorganic leads, you want to generate inorganic sales via advertisement, it is very necessary to know the algorithm of Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and there are a lot of things. But what is the most important thing is the copywriting. So how to do copywriting in our ads, in our ad copies, in our captions that can grab more attention and get more and more people in our sales funnel, as well as get more quality leads. So let's start it. But before that, if you want to see more quality content, just jump on my Instagram. The link is in the description and just follow me there because I upload a lot of cool contents there. So our first tip is you need to understand that whenever someone is reading your advertisement, someone is seeing your advertisement, someone is investing their precious time, they are definitely your prospects. Because if you are seeing any YouTube video and any ads come there, we usually skip because most of them don't connect with us. And if you are listening to Spotify and you are seeing a lot of ads, you are just listening a lot of ads, you get irritated because they are not able to connect with you. But when something seems connecting, if there is an ad which seems connecting, you will definitely read it because there's something which you want from that, you are thinking about that. So if someone is investing their time on your ad, they are definitely your prospect, which are 50% only already converted by their needs, by their bots. So if someone is reading your ad, they are definitely your prospects, because no one reads ads for amusement, no one reads ads for just fun. So they are definitely prospects. They are already 50% converted by their wants, their needs. You need to convert the rest 50 by the actions you need to let them make via your ad copy. Our next tip is people read what they want in just 8 lines, in just 8 bullet points. If you are trying to be more lengthy in your captions, you can be that, because we know that lengthy captions converts around 28%, but don't go more than 8 points because people hate reading more. And if you are using 8 more than 8, you are having a loud conversation with your prospects and they usually run away. Our third tip is measure your ads via salesman standards, not by amusement standards. I have seen a lot of ads which are having memes, which are just for amusement. If you're trying to grab attention while amusing, via any funny thing, if you're not having that salesman standards in your ads, although you will be able to grab attention, but the quality of customers you will get won't be that good quality. They might jump on your page but won't invest in your products, might not invest in your services, they might not be able to invest in future. And if you will go one step further in your sales funnel, you'll find that these leads are just useless because they are not a quality leads. So if you want a quality leads, you want good quality leads in your sales funnel, just make your ad with the standards of a salesman person, not amusement standards. Our fourth tip is don't think people in mass. Don't think there will be a lot of people seeing my ads, so they must see like that, No, you are just getting a blurry picture of people and you are just ruining everything. When you are running an ad, it is like a salesperson talking to 100 people at just 1 second. Simply they are just doing it. They are just two types of ad which are having conversion rate of 2% and one is having a conversion rate of 0.01%. So what is the difference? The difference is the quality which they are having. So you need to understand, you don't need to think of people in mass, you need to think of one person standing in front of you. For that, what you can do, you can just create a client avatar in your mind and just create the ad on the basis of that. And when you think that yeah, this is perfect, then you can run it and you'll see that they are getting better results. And the reason behind it is only that you are focusing on a single person, not a crowd, which is giving you a more brighter, more clear picture of what your client desire, what they want. And our final fifth tip is people don't read, they scan. Like let's take an example of a newspaper. We every day get a newspaper in our and when you are seeing that newspaper, no one reads the whole newspaper from the beginning, where the first page is having the viral content, the next few pages are having city news, then you get the editor's column, then the next pages are having some Bollywood news and some more news. So what we do, we just scan the headlines. That if imagine I want to read about marketing, so I'll just getting scanning that maybe JD Bond, or maybe coal prices rose, or maybe this happened, that happened. But my mind is searching about the marketing thing. And when I get something related to marketing, I'll be like, wait a second, I want to read, and I'll go just flip back the pages and I just see it there and I read it. But what will happen if I find that content is not related to marketing, it is related to something else? What will happen? I'll just skip it and go back. So if you are creating a ad, you need to just in your headline only tell the person that I'm talking about this, so that they can't get a blurry picture, and if they want that, they'll just jump on it and read the description. And if they don't want, they'll just scroll. And that's why headings are really important. They must give the gist of what you want to provide and how you are going to do this. Line must represent their interest. So that's it. I have taken these tips from the book Scientific Advertising, and if you want to read it, just read it. Wish you a great day ahead.